Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you the inlaid embossing technique with the Love and Happiness bundle. All right, I'm going to show you a fun embossing technique called inlaid embossing with the Love and Happiness bundle. This is a special bundle because it includes a hybrid embossing folder, and so with this 3D embossing folder, you can place the die inside and cut and emboss at the same time. So super cool, super fun. I'm going to show you this in my other videos with this bundle, so be sure to check those out. But for this card, I've already pre-cut a whole bunch of hearts, and I'm just going to place them kind of all over randomly where I want them. Not going to do any right here because that's where the heart is going to be. And then I'm going to use liquid glue to make sure I get these really adhered down on all the edges. You want to make sure everything is adhered. All right, now I've got these all glued down. I'm just going to kind of remove some of the excess glue a little bit here. Just wipe that off on my fingers. And now I'm going to use the embossing machine. And so for this, you need the number 1 right here and the number 4. And of course the embossing folder. So here's the embossing folder, and I'm just gonna place this right about there. Make sure that the heart is kind of centered here. And I'm gonna place it with this edge facing in, and then grab my number 4. This is number 4. It's a specialty plate. I'm just going to roll this through. Okay. And then voila! Isn't that cool? Everything is all inlaid onto the cardstock, so it looks like it was just fit inside the cardstock there. That's why it's called inlaid. So I'm just going to trim off any excess hearts on the edge. And then we will layer these onto a piece of real red. So I'm gonna put adhesive on all 4 sides since this is embossed. And then I've already cut out a red heart. So I'm gonna put that on dimensionals and this on dimensionals. And then I'm gonna stamp this with real red. I'm gonna stamp Valentine greetings. I'm gonna do it down here where I can see better. Okay. Teeny bit off, but it still works. The last thing I'm gonna do is add some of these flowers from the dies, and I'm just gonna kind of crumple them up. Then I'll add them together with glue dots. Just offset each one as I put them on. Kind of try to have definition between the layers by crinkling it. And then I'm gonna just place it on the heart. Pull up the layers. And then I'm gonna add one of the faceted gems. This is the From Your Heart faceted gems that carried over from last year's Valentine's Suite. And I'm just gonna grab a medium one to put on there. It doesn't want to let go. There we go. And there we go. There is our Inlaid Embossing Valentine card. So I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase this bundle. And it has this inlaid embossing, heat embossing on vellum, and ink embossing. So really fun embossing kit, 3 different ways to emboss using your embossing folder. You can also get this kit for free when you place a $40 order using my current host code. Thanks so much for watching my video tutorial on these fun embossing tips. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more tricks and tips in stamping and card making, and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.